Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science Passing Package Part 5, which is very important from examination point of view. Now, the first question is, which is the coldest month in India? Answer, January is the coldest month in India. Second question, which is the hottest place of India? Answer, Ganganagar of Rajasthan is the hottest place of India. Next question. Mention the two branches of the southwest monsoon. Answer, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Now the next question is, what are coffee blossoms? Answer, convectional rain in Karnataka is beneficial to the coffee crop is known as coffee blossoms. Now next question, which place has recorded the lowest temperature in India? Answer, Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature in India. Now, moving on to 2 marks question. In 2 marks, the first question is, which are the consumer rights granted by John F. Kennedy? Answer, right to safety, right to choose, right to information, right to be heard. Now, the next question is, mention 3 stages of consumer court: district forum, state commission, national commission. Now, the next question is, write a note on advantages of division of labor. Division of labor leads to specialization. Division of labor has helped people to gain skill in a particular area and earn economic benefits in accordance to their skills. Division of labor has led to the emergence of class system. Widespread acceptability of division of labor has helped people has led to the emergence of business and industrialization. As a result, a few people could invest and earn more profit. Now, the next question is, what are the features of unorganized sector? They work in areas which are not governed by rules and regulation. They earn daily wages. They work without any additional facilities and have no job security or fixed wages. Next point. The unorganized sector is vast. Now, moving on to 3 marks question. In 3 marks, the first question is, explain the importance of transport in India. India is a land of villages and a predominantly agricultural country. For the development of agriculture and villages industries, roads are essential because they are convenient to connect isolated villages. Roads can be constructed in forest and hilly regions. They connect remote places with towns and cities, provide door to door service. They are the feeders to railways, seaports, and airports. They play a very important role in tourism, trade, and commerce and industries. They create employment opportunities and are most useful in defense, especially in border areas. Now, the next question is, mention the ports on the west coast and east coast. Now, first, western ports: Kandla Port, Mumbai Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Marmagova Port, New Mangalore Port, Cochin Port. Now, eastern ports are Chennai ports, Ennur ports, Visakhapatnam port, Paradip port, Haldia port, Kolkata port.